to another video.
That's not what I see. Look what I got. Look at what you taught me. Yeah, for that I say thank you. Thanks, thank you. Thanks, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex.
Alright guys, so today I'll be doing my first Q&A video. And I've been uploading videos for a while now. I've been uploading them to Facebook, Instagram, but not YouTube. I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel for quite some time now. It's because of this coronavirus thing why I started my channel just now. Alright? So I have maybe 10 or 15 questions that I want to answer for you guys, just to let you know a little bit more about me. Alright, so the first question is, what is my full name? So my full name is Nishoy Nataloy. Yes, Nataloy. Old, but I love it. Where am I from? I am from Lucy, Hanover, and for the persons who do not know where Lucy, Hanover is, it is in Jamaica. Yes, Hanover is the parish, Lucy is the capital. Which school did I attend? So I attended the Rosal High School and then the Green Island High School. Do I have any siblings? Yes, I do. I have a lot. I have 4 sisters and 2 brothers. Right, and some that I don't know. Do I speak any other languages? Wagwan. You good, my youth? Jenabong. Inside. Good as good girl. Yes, I do. So Patois is my first language, the one that I grew on. And then English is what I learned in high school. Learned in school, I should say, not high school. Right? So of course, Patois. Do I have any, or who are my favorite YouTubers? Favorite YouTubers. So the first one is Petit Stu. I've been watching Petit Stu for like 6 years now. Then I have King and Shay. I've been watching King and Shay for almost 2 years, or 1.5 years, thereabout. Then you have Demar Stewart from channel DS7 or channel DL7. Demar Stewart. Shout out to you, brother. I got to learn your channel name. Yes, Demar Stewart and what's their name? The Carter family and Risa and Kwan. Yes. And that's just it. What is my job title? So my job title, I am entertainment coordinator. What is my favorite color? My favorite color, I wouldn't say it's a color, it's a shade. I love black. Most of my clothing are black. And then I think second to that I like blue. And then I'll say like lime green. Yes, lime green is another one. Oh, guys, if you're wondering why I'm looking down, yes, I wrote all the questions on a piece of sheet. So I'm looking down to read the questions and then answer them because my phone is recording at the moment. What do I do in my spare time? Right. In my spare time, of spare time now. So now that I have a lot of spare time, because before then I would be working, I would be at my work now. So now that I have a lot of spare time, I like to do videos. So most of my day I spend recording videos and editing the videos to upload. Or I do my hair, or I play game, or watch TV, or just sit outside. Yeah, I think that's just about it, right, Mama? Mm. What is my favorite drink? Coca-Cola bakushepa is a really cool. Broke good girl. Good girl, your body shape like Coca-Cola bakushepa. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. So my favorite drink is Coca-Cola or Pepsi, as Jamaica would call Jamaicans would call it. So we call Coca-Cola Pepsi. And we call Pepsi Pepsi. Right? We don't say Coca-Cola. A few persons might say Coca-Cola, but we know most Jamaicans say Pepsi. Right. Yes. So my favorite drink is Pepsi. Do I have any pets? So I have cats. One to show people them, please. So I have kittens, and yes, I do have pets. I have cats. Hold on just a minute. What is my favorite TV series or oh, Pico, kitten, say hi. Oh, you're sleeping. Bye. Bye. And I have dogs. Yes, I have dogs. So I have cats and dogs for my pet. Alright? And then, as I said before, my favorite television series or series on a whole, I like Power. I love Empire. I watch How to Get Away with Murder. I watch Green Arrow, and the list goes on. I watch a lot of series. Riverdale, one of my favorite. Yes. Who is my favorite Jamaican artist? My favorite Jamaican artist, I would say I have more than one favorite, but for now I'm just gonna say that my favorite Jamaican artist is Hive. Yes, that's what I like it. And I'm gonna say one more. Shensia, independent girl, real number one trending girl. Boy, hot daddy. Let's see if I left anything out. I didn't think I did anything out. And the last question is, are you single? No, I'm not single. I do have a boyfriend. His name is Nino Sherrington. And yes, I think that's about it. So no, I'm not single, guys. So please do not comment on my videos. Alright? And so if you like this video, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. It keeps you posted when I upload new videos. So with that said, peace out.